saw this cute little leaf scene here, decided I wanted to download this, so that's what I did. Now, the way to do this without using Illustrator is you're going to come over here and you're going to put it inside of this Vectorizer.ai. You're just gonna drop it in, and then it's gonna give you this image. Then you'll download this image like you saw me doing there. Then you have this Figma. This is free to use. So you're gonna start a new design file, and then just go find your file that you just did. And this is it, the SVG, and just drop it right on the screen. And at this point, you can use Command or Control and your mouse button to scroll in and out. At this point, all your files are right over here. All your vectors are over here. But usually I just come right over here on the edge, and you can delete your background like that. And that's pretty much done, but you got a lot of little cleanup to do, so you can just go through here and pick this stuff out. Right? Now, through the magic of video editing, we're going to go ahead on and show you what a finished product would look like. So here you can also see that you can add text, so you can end up with a full sticker or a file. And all I did to add this text was just come up here to the text tool, add it, tacos. Who doesn't love tacos? All right, so click over here, and then over here you have all of your options. So you can give it a color here. You also can do drop shadows and stuff. Now, this isn't the best of all text editors, but you can do a stroke. So let's just come down here in the corner and say okay, and then you can make it kind of large, just like I did this bottom one down here. So you can finish this right here by saying, let's say 25, and there you go. So this is how you can do this. You can see another file. Let's say that was a sticker. Then you can come over here and you can see another file that I did, and this could be a t-shirt. So I just added the little I love fishing here. Now, when you're ready to export, just come down here and hit the export button. You can choose what you want to export. And then you'll get your preview down here of what it's going to look like. And you can add different effects on this. Again, your stroke or whatever. And just export it to whatever you want. I would go with a PNG or this SVG, export it out. The one thing that I want you to watch out for is when you do export it, there's going to be, some of these have a background right here. And here it'll say fill, show in the export or not. And that will show the white background if you're going to use it. So make sure you don't, you click off of this, or just go ahead and delete the whole thing altogether, and that way you'll be sure. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. Coffee break.